All right, here we are at the department store yard, and here is our customer. What is she looking for? Let's ask. How can I help you?
I'm looking for the kitchen department, please.
Kitchen department is on the second floor, first door on the right. All right. This was easy because when the customer is happy, we can go to the second level. At this level, we must sell soup ladles at half price. All right. And our customer is already waiting us here. Let's grab our mic. My name is Markku. How can I help you?
Hi, Markku. I'm actually looking for a soup ladle. Do you have any in stock?
Yes, we do. We have famous Krups soup ladles here. Would you like to see one?
Yes, I would love to see the Krups soup ladle. Can you show me one?
Here it is. It is made of steel and it has a wooden handle, so it's easy to grip.
Great. How much does it cost?
Today it is on offer. Only 30 euros instead of 60 euros. So it's half price. Only today.
That's a fantastic deal. I think I will take the Krups soup ladle. Thank you for your help, Markku.
It's okay. Is she satisfied already? I think yes. We can go to the next level where we have knives to sell. My name is Markku. How can I help you?
Hello, Markku. I'm Helmi, and I'm looking for a Japanese kitchen knife. Do you have any recommendations?
Yes, we have in stock these fantastic Yamamoto kitchen knives from Japan. Would you like to see one?
Yes, I would love to see one. Can you show me the different options available?
Yes, here we have a small knife and a larger knife. They are made of steel and the handle is made of hickory tree. Would you like to have this bigger one in your hand? Here it is.
This knife feels very sturdy and well balanced. How much does it cost?
How much was it? 50. It's 50 euros, but if you buy 3 then you can get them for 100 euros only.
That sounds like a great deal. I think I'll take 3 of these knives.
Okay, if she is satisfied, then we can go to the next level, but perhaps we must sell them first. No, she was satisfied and this is the hardest level. We don't know yet what Helmi wants to buy. Let's ask her. My name is Markku. How can I help you?
Hello, Markku. I'm looking for a set of non-stick frying pans. Do you happen to have any in stock?
Yes, we have very good Siemens frying pans here. They are very sturdy and they have very good quality. Would you like to see?
Yes, I would love to see the Siemens frying pans. Could you show me the different sizes and prices available?
Yes, the small one is here, it's only 15 euros and the bigger one is 30 euros.
That sounds like a great deal. I'll take the bigger one for 30 euros.
Okay, she was satisfied for the bigger one for 30 euros. Let's see if she was really satisfied. Yes, we managed to get all the levels and now we are here. We can quit or start from beginning because this is so fun. Let's start from beginning. Well, for this demo and for this video, I think I will quit now. So thank you for watching. Bye bye.